Hey, it's me. I'm JC. JC is whatever they call me, and I'm back with hair porn. Not gonna lie, I'm going to give you a different type of hair porn today. I'm going to be giving myself a wash day, where you're not gonna see that part. I'm going to be trying this, and I'm doing a mashup. Yes, this is gonna be a hair porn mashup because I have one thing. We're gonna be mashing up this product with Palmer's. What is this? This is raw Shea Balm. So because I'm doing winter months, I'm going to be doing a wash day first, and this is all going to be nice and fresh because my curls just needed a little bit of a wash day. And then I'm going to give you a different look. Yes. So if you like this look right now, I'll be right back with you with a full freshly washed hairdo. My hair will be fully fresh washed, and I'll be back with you. So it's going to be very different than this. Ready? Don't you wanna? Hair porn Tuesdays. Alright, I'm back. I just washed my hair. Now, what did I wash my hair with? If you're wondering, I used the Shea Moisture Black Jamaican Black Castor Oil line, Strength and Restore shampoo, and then the conditioner, which as you see is out. I have another one, but I like to use the last one. I have one more use for this one. And last but not least, I use the mask right here. Yes. As you know, that's my go-to. That's my staple of wash day. And I wanted to do wash day kind of normal for that because I'm trying a different hairstyle. As y'all know, I just talked about it. First things first, what we're gonna do is this. One reminder, what we're doing is a mashup. First, my hair is now freshly washed. But the curls are still very playful. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie, I have not done this before, so this is the first time because I've been looking for this for weeks. Yes, I've been looking for this since the 20th of December. Yeah, it's been that long, and the stores didn't have it. My store just got it, and that's ridiculous to say this. Why is this important? This is a butter. This is a balm. This is raw Shea Balm. So this is a Shea butter. You're wondering why I'm so excited for this. It's because this right here is going to help for the winter months, especially because right now your hair needs a little added moisture. So first things first, what we're going to do is my LOC. My hair is fully washed. So naturally, I won't use my L that I normally use. But I'm going to add my O. This is my O. This is my oil mix. And then I'm going to add my 2. This is a mashup. So first things first, add this. This is my oil mix, which I'll give you a card right there. Ready? And you know, I'm using a spray bottle. So I just go like that all over. Spray everywhere. And you get that back. And first things first, which you should always do when you have a spray bottle, go like this and like that, and your hair is gonna all feel at the same time. My hair loves oils, so that's why I love to do it. Next thing. Now, if you wonder why my glasses are like this, because of steam, yeah, I just took a shower, and then I'm using this. This is the Sacha Inchi oil, Omega 369 from Shea Moisture, and it's a rescue from hair. That's what this is. Now, as y'all know, this is one of my first time using this on camera. Now, let's go with 3 things. This is like a first time use for y'all. So, first things first, this is what it looks like. It's very, it has a white hue, and it's very creamy. Okay, ready? So, this is going to be my leave-in conditioner and also my first C. Now, as you know, this says Curl. This is a Curl Defining Smoothie. So it's gonna make my curls like bouncy and everything like that. Alright, ready? So you see that? You see that tag? Alright. And as you look, you see that droop. It's creamy and it's not runny. That's really great. The smell. It smells like mint. It smells very freshening. So first things first, as y'all know, I'm gonna go out. And then I'm going to go outward. I'm only taking a little bit, like that much. I'm going to do the palm method now. And I'm going to go back And naturally, since my hair is fully drenched and also very coated with oil, what I say now to do if your hair has that moisture, play with it. Bounce. Come on, girls. Not that kind of stuff. Alright. And this is what we're doing. And this is kind of like what it's going to do. Naturally, I've seen that this actually gives me more curls. So it's going to probably shrink up your hair naturally. So if your hair is like very long, this is one of those kind of products where your shrinkage is real. And as you probably go along, that's what's going to happen. Now, since the product is in, and I'm already bouncing and stuff like that, now let's get into the raw Shea Balm. Now this is Shea Butter. Now that's why it says right there, and it says it right there in its description. So what you do is you kind of get a little bit. You see this? You see how thick that is? That's why it's considered a balm and a butter, because it's kind of just smooth. And you're just gonna glide it like that until your hands like that. You see that? That's the butter. So, as you know, this is how I do my butters. I go like this for one side, I go like this for the other side. Now, act like I'm about to make a ponytail. And naturally, I just keep going just like that. I'm just gonna get the hair going. And boom. We're gonna act like I'm making a full ponytail so we can get all of our hair. And then we're gonna go a little bit more. Add a little bit more. See that one finger? And it's gonna fully coat. Yeah, one more time. And now we're gonna go smooth out. I'm gonna give you right now kind of my ponytail because naturally it's morning when I'm doing this. Yes. Let's give you a first look. This is why I love it. I'm not even using a brush yet because the weird thing about raw, yes, hold on. Give me a second, guys. I'll be back with you. Alright, sorry for the technical difficulties. That happens. So, my hair was in a bun, but I'm going to go ahead and do it again. This time, I'm going to do it more chic instead of just a curly bun. As you see, this is my hair looks like with both. Hold on. Alright. Right here. With the Sacha Inchi Oil Omega 369 Rescue and Repair Curl Defining Smoothie. And yes, that happened. The raw Shea Balm. This is Shea Butter. Yes, as you see, this is my curls look like right now. And what we're gonna do now is give it a smooth effect. So first thing first is always this. Go like this for the side, and we're gonna smooth down my sides first, and we're gonna go for the top for the first half, and then we're gonna do the same thing. And you just keep your hand there. I don't really do that many of a button looks, but because I kind of am in that like winter months feeling, and then I'm going to add a little bit more Shea Balm. And we're going to stop. That's how I'm looking. So what I'm going to do now is this. First, add a little bit more. This is going to be like a balm. At the same time, this is going to be what's going to control your hair. So you add a little bit to the front on both sides. Like that, and you just keep smoothing it down. And as you see, it's gonna give you kind of this natural, it's gonna give you a natural shine. Now, this is my rubber band, so you gotta go ahead and double it up. Even if you want to, triple it up if your hair is smaller. So, first things first, you get that back in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and do this one more time. Ready? Smooth, smooth. Okay, and as you see, and now we're gonna go like this all over. Just keep smoothing it with your hands, and then we're gonna do our bun. And we're gonna go all the way there, and it's gonna be a pony first, as you see. And we're just gonna grab, and that's how my hair becomes a bun. Now, the weird part about it, I really love doing this, so I'm gonna give you 2 in 1. We're gonna go ahead and do airs today as well. Yeah, it's a surprise. First things first, this is where it's like after a wash. I'm going to be talking about wash day for winter soon. But right now, let's go ahead and add this product in. Now, what am I adding? This same product. This is the, once again, this is the Sacha Itchy Oil Omega 369 Repair and Rescue Curl Defining Smoothie. So we're going to get my curls really great. And once again, the only thing I forgot to do first, my beard is fully moisturized because I did both at the same time. I did my wash day for my beard. It's the same thing as my hair. Kind of the benefit of having both. Just to do them at the same time. So then you're going to add your oil after you add the first product. And then we're going to add the balm one more time. This is all I need. And ready? This is the coolest thing. Go like this down. And go like this down. We're going to give it kind of like a natural smooth effect for airs. See? And then we just add our brush. Ready? Give it a little bit. Just keep going downward. Like that. And keep doing that. And then at the bottom right here, you gotta get all of that hair. Right? And right now, what I'm giving you right now is also, it's gonna, the more you brush, the more stimulation you're gonna get your beard. So it's gonna help grow. Keep going like that all over. All over. And that's it. And then you want to spruce it up a little bit. This is what you do with your beard. Go like this. And like this. Upward. So it can make it look more fuller. And as you see, this is a full look. Yeah, I want to go ahead and want to show you how my curls look too. But this is a good going out look. And this is a good, like, you want to be a little bit like a Rico Suave for work. This is so dope. So if you like this look, give me a thumbs up, as you've seen all the way on the cards this whole time. And this was a hair porno with a beard porno. Because Aries is included today. Because I wanted to have like a double or doing a smash up. So if you like this video, once again, thumbs up. And I'll catch you with the next one.